Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pasta sauce at home using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our simple, fresh ingredients. You'll want about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes, a few cloves of garlic, and some fresh basil. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight meal and tastes so much better than store-bought. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, wash your 2 pounds of tomatoes thoroughly and remove the cores. Then, roughly chop them into manageable pieces. Don't worry about perfection here. Next, finely mince your 2 cloves of garlic. Finally, tear about 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves. These simple steps will set you up for a fantastic sauce. It's time to cook our sauce. Heat 1/4 cup of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté it for about 1 minute until it's fragrant, but don't let it brown. Then, add your chopped tomatoes to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens nicely. Almost done? In the last 5 minutes of cooking, stir in your fresh basil leaves, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Give it a good taste and adjust any seasonings to your liking, maybe a little more salt or a dash of red pepper flakes for a kick. Your delicious, homemade pasta sauce is now ready. Serve it warm over your favorite pasta for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.